If you want to save 4K videos on X, formerly Twitter, and do it the right way, this quick guide will show you exactly how. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the settings you need to check first, the download option inside X, and the important limitations you should know before you expect a true 4K file. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple social media tips and tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. Before you download anything, the first thing you want to do is make sure X is not compressing your media more than necessary. This matters because if your settings are set to reduce data usage, you may not be getting the highest quality playback or the best available version for download. To check that, click the More option in the left sidebar of X. That's the three dots icon. From there, go into Settings and Privacy, then tap Accessibility, Display and Languages, and then Open Data Usage. Inside this section, look for Data Saver and make sure it is turned off. Turning Data Saver off helps ensure you are viewing and handling the highest quality version X makes available to you. Now, here's the next important part. To download the video directly from X, you need to navigate to the post that contains the video you want to save. Open the post and look at the video player. In the bottom area of the player, you should see a gear icon. Tap or click that gear icon and a menu should appear. From that drop-down, select Download Video. If the option is available on that post, your browser will immediately start downloading the file, and it will usually go straight into your computer's default downloads folder. But there are a couple of very important things to understand here. First, if you do not have an X Premium subscription, clicking the download option may trigger a prompt telling you to upgrade before you can save the file. So if you're seeing a paywall, that is why. Second, even if you do have access to download, X can only give you true 4K or 2160p. If the original creator allowed downloading and the video was actually uploaded in uncompressed 4K quality, if the original upload was only 1080p, then the downloaded file will be capped at 1080p, even if you're hoping for 4K. So the quality of the saved file depends on the source video, not just the download button. That's why the best approach is to first confirm your X settings, then use the built-in download option on a post that supports it, and then verify the original upload quality. If the video was posted in true 4K and downloading is enabled, then you have the best chance of saving the highest quality version available. So to quickly recap, first turn off Data Saver in X settings, then open the post, click the gear icon on the video player and choose Download Video. If you get a premium prompt, that means the account or video requires access, and if the final file is not 4K, that usually means the source itself was not uploaded in 4K. Simple as that. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.